wherever we bounce, we're never going to see these price levels in Bitcoin ever again. My God, oh my God,
insane.
We're going through some serious, insane fireworks because there's no stopping Ethereum after that.
Today, for the Bitcoin price with DaVinci J15, we will be talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum and the simple fact that in the charts right now, we can see that Bitcoin is perfectly bouncing between support and resistance, as you can see it right here. But also Ethereum has evidence in the charts right now that we might see a serious bull run in March 2020 within the next few weeks. We will talk with DaVinci J15 about specific price targets for Ethereum and Bitcoin. And guys, we can promise you, you can count us on that. These price targets will catch you by surprise. So make sure you take a seat. You smash up the like button to at least 2,000 likes. And that being said, we want to come to the most important question of today. DaVinci J15, how are you doing today, my man?
I'm doing great, man. I got the red jacket on to indicate, prices are down, but we're not out right here.
Dude, this is becoming a meme. Always when you're wearing something green, the prices are going up, and when you're wearing something red, the prices are going down. You know what? I think the next time we meet each other, I will just buy a bunch of green stuff and give it to you so we can finally see the massive bull run we all deserve. But that being said, let's go straight into it. Let's pull up the charts and see what you have to say right now.
All right, let's take a look here. As you know, right, we talked about last time the head and shoulders pattern that I saw. I was the only bear in a sea of bullish people, from Alessio Rossani, and I think even Tone Vays was a little bit bullish.
I can't believe Tone Vays being bullish, but however, let's go on.
and yeah, as you can see, it faked you out, right? Let you believe there was a bull market, and then dumped it right on you here. If you're looking at shorting this, you should have not just said I don't like shorting the neckline. I like to wait for any kind of 61.8 level to short. And if I had the option to do so on Bybit, I would have shorted the 61.8 level here, and look at that payday. So yeah. That is that. So what do you do here, right? Can we short again? No, you don't chase, right? Right? You don't want to get wrecked, right? So don't chase markets. This is too late to get into a short. You don't be shorting down here, even on the short-term time frames. It's too late, and even though we are going a little bit lower. Because as you can see on this 4-hour chart, we do not have a divergence yet, unfortunately. So we are definitely going lower, but I think we're gonna complete this head and shoulders pattern first, and then we bounce at the 38.2. Wow, that would be great. And the most important thing you need to know is that wherever we bounce, it doesn't matter whether we bounce at the 31.2, the 50% level, or the 61.8, wherever it is, that would be the last time we see those lows.
Oh man, that sounds like music for Moon Boys. Wait, but even though we are bouncing, let's say we're bouncing at your first price target of 8,940, I think this is surprisingly close to the price target I actually covered within the last 2 videos where we talked about the cup and handle pattern. So no matter who is right here, a possible bounce might be happening soon. And if this will be a significant bounce with follow-through and with significant volume, the likelihood is actually very, very high that this was the temporary bottom and that the next parabolic bull run towards the next price level is happening. Before we go into Ethereum, can we maybe see what your next price target is for Bitcoin? You already told it to me, and I was pleasantly surprised.
Well, I'm going to take what's it called, extensions, and we're going to show you. I'm going to reverse this because that's how extensions work.
Oh, the good old golden ratio. I love it.
Exactly. If we scroll up a little bit, you can see the 1.618 is at 13,000. What's also interesting is that if we bounce off of the 38.2, which is around this area here of 8,900 or something like that, this could take us straight to exactly where that level is on an AB equals CD. So that's not a coincidence.
This is massive.
Exactly. That's not a coincidence, right? Especially if well, this is a lot of ifs here, right? So,
But however,
right.
I mean, I always love when we have some confluence in the charts, and when the AB equals CD perfectly is in alignment with something else, which is as important as the golden ratio, for example, we actually see a very good track record for this kind of confluence. So 13,000 is at least a price level to look out for in case we get the significant bounce, and also the breakout out of the cup and handle pattern we actually covered yesterday and the day before in this video here.
Exactly. So yeah, so that's my price targets for Bitcoin. Now let's head over to Ethereum. Right,
Yeah.
Ethereum is looking really bullish, and I'm really excited for Ethereum. I think we're going to see
Very quickly, Da Vinci, you know I hate to interrupt you. No, I just, before we go into Ethereum, I want to urge everyone who is watching this video right now, scroll down here in the video and leave your favorite altcoin. I know I said that a lot of times, but we already collected Monero, Litecoin, and we are taking the most upvoted ones. Stellar Lumen is right now also on the verge into getting into the next altcoins we are going to cover in the next Da Vinci J15 episode very, very soon, when we are doing an altcoin episode. So right now, put your favorite altcoin down below and upvote each other's altcoins. And the most upvoted altcoin will go into the top 3 for the next altcoin analysis. So this is your last chance. Scroll down, leave your favorite altcoin, and upvote each other's altcoins right now. So now, Da Vinci, without any further ado, let's do Ethereum.
Well, Ethereum, I would like to say that it's coming down to 3802, but Ethereum's got some serious resistance here, no support level here. So I think if we're coming down, you might want to stack your bids all the way down to 38.2. Because honestly, I think Ethereum is not going to let you into this market very easily. When it takes off, it does not let you back in. We do have some overhead resistance, but it's way up here at the 3.2 million sat, and so I think that's where we're going to see the next set of resistance, and that's right where there's a lot of traffic, and a lot of people who bought Ethereum in this area are probably like, okay, well, if Ethereum gets up here, I'm going to sell everything I got because it just screwed me over. And then, that might be a little bit of resistance. But if we blow through any of this area, my God, the next stop, if we blow through this, my God, oh my God.
Insane.
Some serious, insane fireworks, because there's no stopping Ethereum after that until 6 million stats.
I mean, guys, I just want to remind you, everyone who's looking at the technicals, well, okay, we can just pull up some technicals and say Ethereum is going to pump. But think about the fundamentals also. To think about DeFi coming up. Think about all the value being locked up in Ethereum. Think about Ethereum itself being locked up into DeFi and is not able to move because people are taking loans with it, because people are giving out loans, and so on. And we can actually see right now massive evidence also from the fundamentals that Ethereum will play a massive role in terms of gains within the next bull market. And the technicals are only one piece of the truth. You should always consider both if you have Ethereum also in your long-term holding portfolio. Remember that, guys, we are not only here for the short-term gains. So yeah, please, let's go on Ethereum. Da Vinci, you talked about the 3.2 million Satoshi level. And if we break that, what was it again? 4.5 million?
That's actually, if we break the 4.2 million, we're heading straight to 6 million sats right away, like in a blink of an eye. And I think by next month we should be up in this area at the 3.2 million sats area. But first we need to cool it off, right? It needs to cool its jets. But the positive thing is that we have not seen a divergence on Ethereum yet on the dailies. So this is hugely bullish.
Exactly. I mean, it was pumping like crazy, and we still don't see any kind of bearish divergence. So we have at least evidence that this massive pump is not over yet. Da Vinci, actually, there is a very rough schedule going on today. Maybe we go back into the phase mode because you have a very, very important announcement before we wrap up today's episode. Maybe we go back. And also, everyone who is watching right now, I want to urge you, there are a lot of new leverage exchanges out there. Please be very secure about that. Make your research if these leverage exchanges are secure, if there's enough volume check out the track record of the CEOs and so on. And even then, I would wait until these exchanges have proven themselves, because otherwise you might run into something which is just completely blowing off. And of course, choose your own leverage exchange, but we would stick with the biggest ones. Take Binance Futures, take BitMEX. We, for ourselves, we are taking Bybit. If you want to take Bybit, there is a brand new bonus coming up. If you're an experienced trader, in the pinned comment, there is this Bybit link. Just click the link, put in your email address, your password. Within 24 seconds, you get your own account, but only as experienced trader. After 0.21 Bitcoin deposit, you can get up to $190 for free on the, in our opinion, most secure leverage exchange. But now, guys, this is what I've been personally waiting for. There's a massive announcement regarding Pandora's wallet. And Da Vinci, the stage is yours. Please share that with us.
Well, we've been very busy here this month, even though I've been on vacation and enjoying Acapulco, sunny Acapulco. We're really close to releasing another version of Pandora's Wallet. Now that we have auto updates, so as soon as you close the application, it will automatically update for you. And yeah, we're going to have new exchanges. We're going to have Bitfinex and Poloniex added to Pandora's Wallet. So this is great. We're also going to have a lot of bug fixes. Fixed a little bit of a memory leak, so that I'm really excited about all these new things that are coming, and we're going to be constantly working on it. And I'm looking forward to getting new developers. We're going to be getting new developers on board to help add more cryptocurrencies. So look forward to a lot of cryptocurrencies being added a lot faster once we get those developers up to speed. So I'm looking forward to that.
The best thing about it is a lot of cryptocurrencies will be added, but so many are already added to your Pandora's wallet. I can already say this product is already so mature. You have a lot of cryptos, you have a lot of exchanges already being embedded onto that wallet. So guys, if you want to check it out, scroll down in the pinned comment. You also find the link to Pandora's wallet. Use the test account, use the monthly subscription. I mean, if you don't like it, after 1 month, you're out and you are still in Da Vinci's trading group. So make sure you check it out, link in the pinned comment. And that being said, Da Vinci, I already have to wrap it up. Do you have anything to say before we wrap up today's episode?
Always play from a position of strength and don't get wrecked.
Do not get wrecked, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. Make sure you smash up the like button, not to 2,000. Let's say to 2,500 likes right now. And that being said, we will see each other at the next one of MMCrypto very, very soon. Click the subscription box right here, and also click the Bybit tutorial, which is popping up somewhere here if you haven't watched it already. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.